Hi guys, today in this video we're gonna see how to install and configure Webmin in Linux machine. Initially we need to know what is meant by Webmin. If you are a beginner to the Linux OS, if you are unfamiliar with the command, if you are unfamiliar with the terminal, you can use this Webmin tool to manage any Linux OS machine through web console. I'm gonna show how to install and configure Webmin in this video. Just follow my video. This is a Ubuntu distro machine, like it's a Linux OS machine. It's a Linux Mint. The OS is Linux Mint. I'm installing. If you are installing in this Linux Mint, you can use with the Ubuntu also, and Ubuntu distro you can install the same with all your Ubuntu distro machines. Initially, I will switch to sudo user. If you want any basic content of the Linux means, you can view my early videos. I explained all in that early videos. I entered into the root user. I will update the machine. If any security patches available, it will update. I will go for update. It's updating. Okay. Updated. Just install nano. apt install is a command to install. I already installed nano. If you are not installed nano, you can go with the nano, because this is a viewing, it's a editor tool. If you are editing any text file in the Linux means, you need to use this nano only. I will switch to, I am adding the repository file in the machine. Yes, etc apt. I am just going into the repository files. Already on repository, that security of our repository is there. I am just adding this Webmin repository in that source file, the repo folder. Okay, just adding. Okay, I am just saving. It's overwritten. Okay, we need to fetch that repository. Before that, we need to install wget. I'll type the command also. For nano also I will type apt install. There are many editors like nano, vim is one kind of editor. If you are familiar with the vim, you can use the vim. wget. This both need to install. Already wget is installed in my machine. Yeah. So just I am fetching the repository. The wget is used to fetch the repository. I'm just fetching that. It's connecting. Yeah, it fetched. We need to add the key. Just adding the key. apt. Yeah, it's okay. The key is added to the repository. After that, the wget, we fetch the file from repository. Yeah, you can see it's connected, and the key also added. So next step is just to install Webmin. Yeah, it's installing Webmin. Installation process is going on. Still the installation process is going on. If the machine having good processor means the installation process will be quite fast. It's a basic thing. The rendering, if you have a processor means the rendering also will be fast, and the installation, all the stuffs will be quite fast. Okay, it's gonna complete. Yeah, it's completed. So that's all. It's very simple. We installing Webmin, it's a very simple thing. I will go to the browser. Okay, we need to navigate with HTTPS. We can use host name also, no issues. Contra, it will resolve, no issues. 2 3 how much zeros because Webmin 10,000 is the port for that accessing Webmin. So yeah, it's asking for security warning because certificate is not installed. Yeah, you can access the machine with the default user. If it is a sudo user means you can access the same. If you enable the root login means you need to access with the root login. I not enabled root login. This is my inbuilt administrator like stuff, so I'm logging with this. Okay, don't require. Yeah, initially it will. Yeah, you can see the console. You can enable this notification also. If you enable this notification, if any update available, it will come in that desktop itself. How much my laptop is currently using CPU, real memory, virtual, all the stuffs it will show here. Dashboard. This is a Webmin. Yeah, this and all configuration. What and all you want to do in the terminal, you can use the same stuff in this Webmin tool. You can use with the terminal. It will be quite easy. If you are a beginner, if the you can access with the 10,000 port. If the company or any other, if you are going for any other project means if the company, if the compliance or if the any other stuffs allowing this 10,000 port means you can use this Webmin. It will be quite useful for the beginners, and if you are well versed in the terminal means no issues. You can go with the terminal. You can get with the command, any configuration you can use with the terminal. Example I will show. If you want to go with that partitioning, you can use the gpart also, or you can use the Webmin. All the stuff, all logical, all the stuff is here. All the option, Linux firewall, UFW, all the options here. You can create a rule. This firewall, bandwidth monitor, how much bandwidth you are consuming with the ports. I am currently using wload is the thing. You can set up later. I'm just showing the future, that's all. MySQL database, I install this MySQL database. I can log in with the same here also. I can manage from Webmin also. All the things are available. All the things, what and all you're gonna do in the terminal, all the steps are available. Backup configuration, updates, n number of features are available in the Webmin. See, Webmin configuration stuffs, all the things are here. Password change, boot up, service, you can create service. If you want to create any manual service means you can use this one. Cron job, creating cron job, POM authentication, the AD authentication, all the stuffs included in the Webmin. Cluster control. These are all unused modules. This and all I not used still in this client. Apache web servers, nothing I installed in this one. Okay, that n number of features I can't able to list. It's a n number of features. What and all stuffs you can do in the terminal. All the things you can do with this one. You can use the terminal also in this one. Yeah, this is the terminal. If you can means the terminal also available. You can use the terminal. Notification, all the stuffs, CPU usage, passport, notifications, upgrade. I will show how to upgrade all the things you can do. Packages, security packages available. I will click only security, continue. I will show one demo. I will show because I'm just telling the futures only. I not showed one demo. I will show this one. I'm going with the security updates. All the updates which was listed here is the pending one. All the things are available. Okay, that's all for today video. If you want any Linux related stuff in future, means just subscribe to my channel Tech Sudo. It's connection disconnected. Yeah, that's all for today video. This is signing off, Manoj. Bye. Have a happy day. Bye.